Cups, Three of Pentacles, lots of threes, and Four of Cups. So you guys might be trying to find your happiness elsewhere. Or it could be that you guys are just wanting to distract yourself, like being out with friends, so that you do not think of the person you love, or the person you miss. Okay, but deep down, I see Four of Cups. You feel like your person has kind of, like rejected you, or you feel a little down regarding the whole situation, but you are trying your level best to, basically distract your mind so that you do not think of the person. You're keeping yourself busy through work, you're keeping yourself busy through your friends, or going out for parties, and parties are not possible, but at least, wherever you could, and manage to distract yourself. With the Devil card, you feel a strong attachment towards this person. You cannot free yourself. Even if you try to, you try, I'm not saying you do not, but there comes a point where you do think of this person, and you think in a very obsessed, attached manner. Okay, so give me one more card for what your person is up to. What your person is up to. Soulmate, twin flame, all signs collective. What your person is up to. One card for that. With the Wheel of Fortune, your person is taking a lot of time reaching back to you. Okay, with the Fool card, I do see that they are wanting to take that step forward, but they are taking their own sweet time. Wheel of Fortune is this person postponing it, or wanting to think about it, or wanting to take their own sweet time about the whole situation, but they want to come forward. When, I can't tell you, I'm going to be possibly giving this reading to at least 7 to 10,000 people, so everyone can't have the same story, right? So I need to just clear out everything, every possibility I see here. Okay, so give me one more card. What your person is up to. What is your person up to? One card. What is your person up to? With Three of Pentacles, I feel your person right now is trying to stay focused on work as well, and they are basically ghosting you. Okay, so they are trying to focus on themselves. Okay, I see them distancing themselves. I also see them trying to stay focused on what they're doing right now. Okay, top card we have here is the Moon card. They do miss you, but they won't let you know about it. Okay, so right now we have a mess going on with Wheel of Fortune. This person wants to come back, but not so soon. With Three of Pentacles, they are trying to do their own thing, mind their own business, as to say, if they are working, if they have a family, if they are having their like something of their own. With the Hermit card, they're going within. They are rather wanting to focus on themselves, their growth, their future, their life than you. Okay, I'll be very honest with you. With the Moon card, they do miss you, but Moon card is not a card for action, to be honest with you. So currently, I do not feel there is a lot of chatting or talking or flirting going on. Okay, so yes. So let's start now. What are you up to? What are you up to? Soulmate, twin flame. What are you up to? See one card. What are you up to? With the Empress card, you're also focusing on yourself. It's like you guys are mirroring each other. You both are very focused on your growth now. With Empress card is all about self-love. Okay, Empress is all about wanting to basically, give yourself the attention, so that you do not have to stay attached to someone, but you do feel an attachment towards this person. With Queen of Cups, you do think of this person. You are very much thinking about them. Okay, one more card with Eight of Cups. Many of you guys could be trying to move on as well. Okay, I see that fact that you guys are trying to stay away from your emotions, or you guys are overall trying to move on. Okay, one more card with Three of Pentacles. Yes, the same card I got for your partner. You guys are trying to stay focused on yourself, working on your goals, your future, your family, your growth, so that you don't have to think about this person much. Okay, so basically the same energy on both sides. Okay, so yeah, let's start the tarot now. I hope you guys are doing well. I haven't been well for the past 2 days, so I took a break. Here we go. With four of swords, I do not see communication. Okay, so far there's nothing. Like basically, even if you guys are communicating, you guys have taken a break again. Like on and off shit is going on. Okay, so one card for how do they view you now. One card for how do they view you now. How do they truly view you now? One card for that. I'll also check if there's an outside involvement in your connection. Okay. So yeah, one card we have five of swords. So they feel like you're upset with them. Okay. They feel like you're also playing mind games with them to get attention. Okay. I'm gonna tell you what I see. Okay. I'm not saying you're doing this, but I feel they think that you're ignoring them for attention. You're creating this conflict drama to get attention, and they feel like you're enjoying it. Okay, they could also see that you're upset with them for some reason. I do not know, you guys know better. With five of wands, you guys have had a fight in the past. If it's not something that like that, then they could also feel that you get a lot of attention from other people, and you're trying to keep yourself busy through that. Like you're basically I would say, you know talking to other people. That is also something I see for some of you. Okay, so how do they think of you now? One card for how do they think of you now? How do they truly think of you now? One card for how do they truly think of you now? With six of cups, they are still thinking about you. Okay, very much in you are in their thoughts. With king of pentacles, they know what your worth is. It's not like they do not know your worth. They know your worth. Sometimes people are so like fully driven by their pride and their ego that they are not willing to say it out loud, but they do see your worth. Okay, with six of cups, they are very much thinking about you. Okay, give me a second card. Yeah, with temperance card, this person overall wants to clear the differences they've had with you, or they want to clear the drama they've messed up with you. Okay, but they see you as someone who's a little upset with them, someone who's playing games with them. Isn't games, isn't trying to ignore for a cause of for a reason. Okay, so yes, one card for their current feelings towards you. So what are their current feelings towards you? One card for their current feelings towards you, please. Page of swords. So I see this person stalking you, keeping a watch on you. Okay, in the past there was a lot of love, there was stability, there was something like happening in this connection. Okay, but right now no. Right now they are defensive. They do not trust you completely. They feel like you might be talking to some other people, so they are watching you. Okay, they are very much keeping a watch on you. They if you have a social media, they're keeping a watch on your social media. If you through whatever places that you are on, say WhatsApp or Instagram or Snapchat or whatever, if you do not have a social media, then that's your problem. Okay, not mine. With three of cups, I do feel like this person is going to try to get back with you, but in the near future. As of now, I'll be honest, they are defensive. They have their swords up. They are very curious to know what you're up to. Okay, and something is telling me that they could also be upset with you for not reaching out. Okay, so give me one more card for how do they feel when they miss you or when they think of you. How do they truly feel about you in those terms? How do they truly feel about you? Soulmate, twin flames, all signs included, collective. So basically, your person is building their wall around you. Okay, as of now, at least for the next 48 hours, I see your person being a little defensive. Page of swords is somewhat a very childish energy where someone is more in their ego, more in their pride, and wanting to prove a point, or wanting to basically listen to their stupid as ego or something. With seven of wands, they are basically trying to not let you in so easily, so they'll have their walls up. Even if you reach out, I'll be honest with you, even if you reach out, I see this person not giving you the reaction or not giving you the response you're wanting from them. Okay, so that's going to be a challenge for me as well to see what they're up to. Currently they think of you, they miss you, but as of now they're so much in their ego that for the next 2 days I do not see much happening, to be honest with you. Okay, give me another card as to their energy towards you. What's their energy towards you? What's their energy towards you? Soulmate, twin flame, all signs collective. What is their energy towards you? With the magician, I still feel this person wants this connection. They haven't given up on this connection. They want your attention, but right now they are very much in their pride. Your person has a lot of pride. No matter what they do, what position they hold in life. I see this person being heavy, or like very very heavy on their ego, on their pride. Okay, this person is someone who gets attention. So this person just feels like something else. Okay, but I do feel like they want this connection. They want to continue this connection. They want to continue manifesting this connection. They are not wanting to give up, but they are going to have their walls up. Okay, you have to understand this reading and not point fingers at me. This is some complex reading. Not everyone will possibly understand this, but I do feel your person wants you, but is going to pretend and going to have their walls up like they do not. That's their ego. That's not them. Okay, so yes, yeah, just like the way I told you, the Hermit card. So I see a lot of ghosting going on, pretentious things going on, not wanting to show you that they are bothered when they are. Okay, but yes. So what can you possibly expect from this person for the next 48 hours? So what can you possibly expect from your person for the next 48 hours? So my twin flame collector spirit. Yeah, I do not see communication. Page of Wands is in the reverse. That is basically holding back communication, holding back from giving the energy towards you, or starting something with you. Okay, so yes, top of their mind, I have 10 of Cups. So still very much fantasizing about you. When I say fantasizing, it is not in a very sexual way. Like thinking of you, like what if you guys stayed together, what if this was going on, what if that was going on, not just in a sexual way but more than that. Okay, so yes, so one card for their intentions towards you now. So what are their intentions towards you now? One card, what are their intentions towards you? With the Lovers card, I do feel like they want to choose you. If they've had an option, I believe they want to choose you. Currently we have 4 of Cups, so currently this person is ignoring you. Okay, but in terms of intentions, they do want this connection. Okay, in terms of action, what action I want to take towards you now? What action is your person want to take towards you? We have 10 of Swords and Ace of Cups. So I'll be honest with you. If you reach out, they are going to say something really harsh to you, something really bad that's going to hurt you. Okay, so right now they do want to hurt you. I'll be very honest with you. 10 of Swords is a card where someone is very much wanting to hurt you, wanting to make you feel bad. I won't say this is ending, because top card was Ace of Cups and Judgment. So I do not see this as ending or wanting to walk away from this connection. I never saw that. I feel your person is wanting to hurt you, and they will find reasons, or if you give them a reason like reaching out and doing something and saying something, they are going to be sure that they hurt you, or they say something that's going to hurt you. Okay, they might also want to push this whole situation on you, that you ignored them and this is the reason why you guys are not together and shit. Okay, so one card, what's the main blockage here? What is the main blockage that's holding the two of you apart? What's the main blockage that's holding you the two of you apart? Sorry, what's the main blockage we see here, spirit? King of Cups. You guys have the love, but you guys do not express the love, and that's the biggest blockage ever. 3 of Wands. Long distance relationship could also be an issue. Okay, I do not see King of Cups as another person, to be honest. Okay, you guys haven't reached out to each other. You guys haven't really taken action towards each other. With 3 of Wands, I also see a social distance going on, like a geographical or social distance. With King of Cups, it is like you guys do not express what you truly feel, and that's been a blockage. Okay, I do not see King of Cups as a third party. If it was King of Wands or Queen of Wands, I could have said no, like Queen of Pentacles as well, that there's another person present, but I do not see that. Okay, so give me one more card as to where this connection is going for the next 48 hours. Where is this connection possibly going for the next 48 hours? One card for that, please. Where is this possibly going for the next 48 hours? Moon card. I do not see a lot of action being taken from either side. I still see you guys holding back. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Okay, I still feel like you guys are staying away from your emotions. You guys are wanting to do the right thing for yourself. Okay, and with death card there's going to be a lot of transformation. I do not see an ending. If I would have seen an ending, I would have told you about it. With Queen of Pentacles, I see someone wanting to speak harshly with you, or in a very bad tone, or wanting to hurt you in some which way. Okay, making you believe that you are the reason why this has all happened. Okay, so I'll pull for a few messages. So far I have this for you. Okay, so this readings are going to be general readings. All signs are included. No one is left out. When I do this reading, I consider everyone into account, and I do it for those who need this reading, not for those who are in a joyous connection or in a happy connection. Sorry. Okay. So if it resonates with you, please be kind enough to consider hitting the like button, because that's the only way this video will get more reach and I will get more reach as a channel. Okay. So yeah, do consider that. So what is your soulmate wanting to say to you now? So what is your soulmate wanting to say to you now? I have, yes, I'm facing the consequences of my actions. So your person could have done something or said something which led to this silence. I do not know what exactly, but they do feel that. Okay. Yes, I'm facing consequences of my actions. For selected few of you, they could have pushed you away by saying something, because we had Queen of Swords as their energy. So which is a very harsh energy. Someone who speaks whatever they want to speak. They do not possibly care if it's going to hurt someone, or it's going to make someone feel bad. Nothing. Okay, second card we have for you is, sometimes I talk with you as if you're listening. So for some of you, this person, just like I told you, they fantasize about the whole situation as if they think as if you guys are in contact and you're right in front of them, and they talk to you like, like you are in front of them. They want to say something, so they basically say it in that way. And for selected few of you, we have my karmic is the main problem. So if your person has had a partner who was a blockage in this connection, like someone who always got in the way, no matter if it's romantic, if it's a mother, parent, if it's a brother, if sister, a best friend, a kid that they've had with another partner. But I see for select few of you, their karmic is the problem. Whoever is the karmic, okay, so be it. Okay, so yes, this is your reading. If you really resonate with this reading, do consider hitting the like button. If you are on Instagram, come follow me on Instagram on Divine Soul Guidance. I also want to open up my personal readings to you. If you want to book a personal session with me, go to my website, select one. If you can't book there, you could just reach out to my email that's given below, divinesoul09@gmail.com. You could let me know which like reading you want. You could do the payment through PayPal. Usually the waiting would be 8 to 10 days. Okay, I do have pending orders. And yeah, thank you so much for coming in, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.